Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Code Mappings. In today's video, we will be discussing string functions. String functions are basically a set of operations that are used in programming languages or database querying languages for manipulating or analyzing strings of characters. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first string function is the upper string function, and as the name implies, the upper string function converts the string into uppercase. So we will write our very first query, that is select everything from dummy data sheet 1, and then we will specify the column name, that is employee name. Here we want to convert all the employee names into uppercase. So after the employee name, we will insert the keyword upper and we will insert the column name, that is employee name. So we will run the query and this will give us an output that has converted employee names into uppercase. Similarly, we have the next string function, that is lower, and it will convert all the names into lowercase. Here instead of upper, we will insert the keyword lower and we will run this query. So this will return an output in which we can see that it has converted all the employee names into lowercase. The next string function is left function, and this function extracts a specified number of characters from the left side of the string. So here we will paste the same query again, but now instead of upper, we will insert the string function left. The column name is there, that is employee name, and let's suppose we want to extract the 3 characters from the left side of the string. So we will insert the number 3 over here after the employee name, that is our column name. We will now run this query. And here is the output. It has extracted 3 characters from the left side of the string. So in this case we have John Doe, and it has extracted the left 3 characters that are JONH from the very first name. Next we have the string function write, and we will copy the same query, and as in the previous function, it had extracted the characters from the left side of the string. The right string function will extract the 3 characters from the right side of the string. We will run this query and we can see in the output that this function has extracted the 3 characters from the right side of the string. The right side of the string has Doe, and it has extracted the last 3 characters that are on the right side of the string. Next we have the string function substring. It basically extracts a substring from a string. So here we will copy the same query again. We will insert the query over here, and now we will insert the substring function. Here after the column name that is employee name, we will first specify the position and then the number of characters to be extracted. We will run this query. And here you can see that it has started from position 3 and extracted 2 characters. In John Doe, it has started from H and extracted 2 characters H and N. Same is the case with others. Next string function is replace, and as the name implies, it will replace all the occurrences of substring within a string. We will select everything from the data sheet 1, and then we will specify the column name, that is employee name in this case, and we'll insert the replace string function, and within it we will specify the column name again, that is employee name. And let's suppose we want to replace John with Jane. So wherever there is John in the employee name column, it will replace it with Jane. We will run this query, and we can see in the output that it has replaced John Doe with Jane Doe, because it has replaced John with Jane. The next The next string function is the concat function, and it combines 2 or more strings together. We will copy the same query and we will put it over here, and instead of replace, we will now use the concat function, but first we will specify the 2 column names that we want to combine, that we want to concat. Here in this case, the column names are employee name and department, and then we'll insert the keyword concat, and after the employee name column, we will insert a delimiter, that is dash in this case. And then we will insert our second column name, that is department. So this concat function will combine the 2. We will run this query. You can see that we have another column which has concatenated both the employee name column and the department column. The next string function is length, and it basically gives us the number of characters present in the string. So we will first select everything from the metadata sheet 1, and then we will remove the asterisk because we want to specify a column name, that is employee name in this case. And we will specify the keyword over here, that is length, and we will insert the column name, that is employee name. So this function basically returns the number of characters present in each employee name. Since we have John Doe, we have 8 characters in it. Jane Smith has 10 characters, and so on. The next string function is the trim function, and this function removes any leading or trailing spaces. So here in our data we don't have any such value that has any spaces, so here we will write select, insert the keyword trim, and then we will add spaces and we will write employee. We'll close the parenthesis. We'll rename it as trimmed name, and we'll insert the keyword from the me data sheet 1. We will run this query and we can see that it has removed the leading space present before the employee. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys now have a clear understanding of string functions in SQL. If you find our content useful, please don't forget to like and share the videos, and I would really appreciate if you subscribe our channel. Thank you.